Hello there. Welcome back to our video tutorial. Today, we'll delve into the intricacies of the print function, understanding how it works and how to implement it effectively. In software development, a print function typically refers to a set of procedures or operations within a program designed to generate and output information in a visual format suitable for printing. This can involve creating reports, documents, or visual representations of data that users can print for reference or archival purposes. The print function often includes options for formatting, such as adjusting fonts, layouts, and including graphical elements to ensure that the printed output is clear and visually appealing. In the specific context of crystal reports, the print function involves designing and creating printable reports that present data from a database in a structured and organized manner. Users can then use this function to generate and print reports tailored to their specific needs. Let's get started. Before proceeding, ensure you have Crystal Reports installed. Open your project and follow these steps. Select the project menu. Choose Add New Item. In the installed templates, opt for Reporting. Select the Crystal Reports item. Rename it as CR Print All. Click Add. A Crystal Report Gallery window will appear. Select Using the Report Wizard or choose a blank report. This time, opt for the latter. Click OK. The design view of the Crystal Report will be displayed, featuring the Field Explorer used to connect the report to a database via ODBC. The workbench in the middle of the window is where you design the report, with different sections and a report preview. The Details section is crucial, serving as the body of the report. Connect the database to the Crystal Report. Right-click on the database fields and choose Database Expert. Create a new connection. Select the data source name and proceed. Verify the database name and click Finish. Expand the database name, and you'll see the Users and Roles table. Select and import the necessary tables for the report. Navigate to the Links tab, remove unnecessary connections, and establish the correct relationships. Create a title for the report. Right-click on Section 2, choose Insert, and select Text Object. Write User Accounts Master List and format it as needed. Preview the report by clicking the Main Report preview below. Go back to the main report. Drag and drop the necessary fields from the Field Explorer to Section 3, Details. And that's it, we made our new report. Let's create another one for the individual report. On Project menu, click Add New Item. Choose Crystal Reports. Rename it as CR Print Selected and click Add. Select as a blank report, then OK. Right-click Data field, choose Database Expert. This time the tables are ready to import. Select every table and import it. Click OK. Establish a correct relationship by removing the existing link and connecting the right ones. Click OK. Design a title by right-clicking in Section 2, selecting Insert and Text Object. Place it in the Section 2, write the title, then format it. Drag the necessary fields from the database fields to Section 3. Rearrange the fields so that they will be in the same section. Apply some modification. Preview the report. Go back to Main Report. Let's put a logo image. Right-click on Section 2, Insert, then Picture. Locate the picture you want to and click Open. Resize the image as well as the height of Section 2. Preview the report. Go back to the Main Report. Click on Project menu, then choose Add Windows Form. Select Windows Form, then click the Add button. Resize the form. From the toolbox, look for the Crystal Report Viewer object and place it to the form. Click the form, then set the property name of FRM Print Preview. Window state to maximized. Start position to center screen. Open Form 2, which is the list of user accounts form. Double-click on the Print All button, then write the codes. Here's what each part does. This line checks if the count of items in a list view control is equal to 0. If there are no items in the list view, the code inside the if block executes, a message box will pop up displaying the message "No record found." Else, if the count of items in the list view is not equal to 0, the code inside the else block will execute. This line creates a new instance of a class Crystal Report named CRPrintAll. This line assigns the printAll object, which is an instance of CRPrintAll class, as the source of the Crystal Report to be displayed in the Crystal Report Viewer 1 control on the form FRM Print Preview. This line refreshes the Crystal Report Viewer control to reflect any changes made to the report source. This line displays the form FRM Print Preview to the user. Test the project. Click the Print All button. A print preview form appears, and it's now ready to print. You can click the print report if you have a printer connected and installed properly to your machine. Let's go back to the Form 2 design window, then double-click the Print Selected button. Write the codes. Here's a breakdown of what each part does. This line creates a new instance of a class crystal report named CR_print_selected. Crystal report viewer 1.selection formula equals users_tb.id equals and user ID. This line sets the selection formula for the crystal report viewer control crystal report viewer 1. On the form FRM print preview, the selection formula is used to filter data displayed in the report. Here, it's filtering records where the ID field in the users_tb table is equal to the value stored in the user ID variable. Crystal report viewer 1.report source equals print selected. This line sets the report source of the crystal report viewer control to the print selected object, which is an instance of the CR print selected class. Crystal report viewer 1.refresh report. This line refreshes the crystal report viewer control to reflect any changes made to the report source or selection formula. Show. This line displays the form FRM print preview to the user. Now test the program and click a record from the list view control and click the print selected button. A print preview form will appear and the report is now ready to print. That's all. Congratulations! You've successfully implemented the print function. See you in the next video, where we'll wrap up the forms. Thank you.